Hi guys, so this morning when we were doing our live video, one of our audience member actually let us know that Capleton was being arrested in Jamaica, and he was arrested and charged for rape. And Capleton is one of those artists that we hold to a very high standard in Jamaica, and somebody that we look up to. So we didn't want to bring preconceived notions to the forefront until all the news outlets actually started to report on the same thing and give the same information basically. But it is confirmed that he's actually charged and is arrested for rape, and we're going to read what they have published in the media so far. You know, the media narrative, they do what they put out, what they want, they keep what they want hidden. So we're not going to pass any preconceived notions. I'm just gonna give you guys my theory of what happened. So let's get into this article. And it says, detectives assigned to the Center for Investigation Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse have arrested and charged popular entertainer Clifton Bailey, otherwise called Capleton, for rape. The charges were laid against the 51-year-old entertainer on Friday. Reports from the police are that on Saturday, April 28th at about 11:20 a.m., Bailey reportedly hired a female hairdresser to groom his hair at a hotel in New Kingston area. While at the hotel, it is reported that he forcibly had sexual intercourse with the female. The matter was reported to the police and an investigation launched. Bailey was subsequently charged after a question and answer interview was conducted in the presence of his attorney. He is to appear in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Monday, May 14th. Since the incident, the attorney representing the international reggae artist has refuted the claims and accused the female of trying to extort his client. I'm confident that my client will be exonerated, Christopher Townsend told the News. Claude Mills. The attorney said that there's a dual investigation being conducted by the police force because of the young lady who made the report is also being investigated for extortion. If the justice system works how it ought to work, then he ought to be freed. I do believe that all of Jamaica should be concerned. Justice is in jeopardy. It shows that there is a lack of control and a clear fault in decision-making process. One arm of the force is doing something and the other arm is doing something. It's the same issue. It's clear to everyone that you must combine the two, but everyone is afraid to make the decision, Townsend said. So he is relying on the system to work. It has failed him so far. Although the police have the authority to grant station bail, it is not unusual in circumstances like this. It has not been done. Once again, it has failed the decision. People are afraid of their shadows, said the attorney. The justice system only fails when it's not working in your favor, I guess. Reports from the artist management team are that he made a report to a constable on May 2nd that a woman had been attempting to extort money from him after a sexual encounter days earlier. Allegations are that after the sexual encounter, the woman allegedly complained that she had cyst on her ovary and had been admitted to the hospital for treatment, and according to Capleton's management, that was a lie. The management team claimed that the alleged victim then sent one of her daughters, a 19-year-old, to pick up snacks from the DJ, but but the demands did not subside. Members of the management camp claimed Capleton refused to cooperate once the woman demanded a large sum of money to allow her to be a part of a round robin. A round robin is a financial partnership where an event is held at strict intervals, where the group of people is said in a consortment or partnership are expected to contribute and attend. Sources from the management team of the entertainer said the police and both halfway tree CSIB officials and officials from CSIOCA are in the possession of the text message and conversations relating to the matter. So I'm gonna go from the top of this right here. First, they said that Capleton said he hired a female hairdresser for grooming here 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, Capleton, you're a big artist. You know, when you reach a certain status in society, you always have leeches and vampires coming off of you in every direction. Make sure you, being the wise man that you are, know this long time ago. So why don't you have somebody that's doing your hair for you, and that the person are the only person alone that touches your hair, so things like this won't happen? And this goes for every other dancer artist like Popcorn, Massacre, Alkaline. The whole of them will have hair, and them have to get them hair done for shows. Make sure you have one particular person that you can trust that always does your hair, because stuff like this always happens. Always happen. And for somebody where me hold to such high standard, me feel like Capleton should have know better, but me will give him the benefit of the doubt. Excuse me. And say that as somebody in just never have the time to go to the person when normally go to, and he just had to get in here done, and it was just a split of the moment decision, and he wasn't thinking. Okay, fine. So him actually have sex with the girl, and she was trying to extort him is the next process that they went through. When he refused to give her the money, because they said that her 19-year-old daughter went to get snacks from Capleton, and snacks is the code word for money. So when she none of that happened, she went and reported it and said that Capleton raped her. And she had cysts on her ovaries. And correct me if I'm wrong, but cyst on your ovaries has to do with buildup of ejaculation over time. That's how the cysts are created. But correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about that. I feel like you can't get cysts from a one time having sex with somebody. It has to be a consistent thing. Like, it has to be something that builds up over time and then you get a cyst or whatever. But the whole part is, the part that gets me about the story is that you have all this text message and conversation back and forth where this lady is trying to extort money from you, but they still won't give you bail. So that part is very suspect to me. I feel like if it's a dual investigation, everybody should get the benefit of the doubt, and Capleton should be let out on bail regardless, because it shows a part of this woman's integrity and characteristics that shows that she maybe didn't get raped. She's just trying to get a meal ticket, a quick buck, or trying to actually use what happened to her advantage, and like a get rich quick scheme basically. And quite honestly, I don't want to say too much. Me no want to say Capleton innocent, I don't want to say him guilty, and I don't want to say this girl is actually not really a rape victim and she's just using the system. But this whole story leads a lot of room for misconstrued, like things to get misconstrued in the media and in the public's eye. But big up to Capleton. I hope he's exonerated. If he didn't do it, I hope that she gets what she deserved. If she was actually really raped, my heart goes out to her and all of that. But I'm not passing any judgment on anybody. This is a very sad situation, especially with what's going on in dancehall. It feels like it's spilling over in a reggae. Vybz Kartel lock up, Ninja Man lock up, and they even had Alkaline for questioning a few months ago. So I feel like the whole them targeting particular people in the media is just becoming a more abundant thing, I should say. And it's getting to a point now where when these headlines come up, it's not really as shocking anymore, because we've been there, we've done that. Them lock up enough people as far as the entertainment dancehall industry is concerned. But that's neither here nor there. That's a whole nother topic for a whole nother video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, and tell me what you guys think about this story in the comment section. Do you think he do it? Do you think he not do it? Do you think Capleton have more sense than that? Do you think she was actually trying to make a quick buck off of him and get rich quick? Do you think that she was actually raped and something went down and then they try to cover it up? Or comment in the comment section and tell me what your guys' theory are. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and stay tuned, because I have more videos coming. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, deuces.